We assume the brain is steering the ship, but too often it's just reacting to the waves. The truth is, your brain is a tool, not a master. And if you don't take the wheel, it will drift toward distraction, fear, and survival. To control it, you don't need to be a genius. You need to practice. Step 1. Separate the signal from the noise. Your brain is a radio, constantly broadcasting, but not every station deserves your attention. A thought isn't a truth, it's a suggestion. Even world-class performers feel fear, but they don't follow it blindly. They listen, they choose. That's what you are training, the ability to choose. Step 2. Interrupt the loop. Every habit is a groove in the mind. The more you run it, the deeper it gets. But one pause can change direction. Leave the phone face down, step outside, breathe. Give your mind silence before the world fills it. A single break in the pattern is how new ones begin. Step 3. Choose your inputs like your future depends on it, because it does. Your brain is soil, rich but neutral. Plant chaos, grow confusion. Plant clarity, grow focus. It doesn't care what you feed it, but you should. A focused mind isn't found, it's built, like muscle, repetition, stillness, discipline. And when you train it well, your brain becomes something more than a mind. It becomes a compass. Point it with the care, because where it looks, your life goes.